Hello kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: yellow, violet, orange, black, blue and brown color. Blue color. Kids, we are starting from blue color. A, B, B with blue color. C, we are tracing letter D. Red color. This is letter E. Now kids, we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. H. Yellow color. I. Now we are tracing letter J. Kids, this is letter K. L. Orange color. Kids, this is letter M. Now we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. P. Sky blue color. Q. This is letter R. R. S. S for spider. T. T for tiger. Brown color. Kids, this is letter U. V. W. Magenta color. X. This is letter Y. Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z.